Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson printer suddenly started to give blank pages? If you want a one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the numbers displayed or follow my instructions. Typically, the printer gives blank pages due to a clogged printhead or outdated firmware. So we'll fix both the causes one by one. So let's dive in. Method 1. Clean printhead. Go to Printer's Display, then scroll to Settings and open it. Under Settings, select Maintenance. Scroll and select the head cleaning. Press the Start button to print head cleaning. Once done, select Nozzle Check and press OK. Load a letter or A4 size paper in the rear paper feed. Then, press the Start button to print. Receive the nozzle check result and check if the color lines are not breaking. If you're finding the steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. For more printer solutions, tell us the issue you're facing in the comments below. Now, let's move to updating the printer firmware. Method 2. Update firmware. Open your browser and go to official website of Epson Firmware Update. Scroll down and click on the Download it here hyperlink. On the page you have been redirected to, scroll down and click on the Download button according to your device's operating system. Save the file on your computer and click on the Save button. After downloading, navigate to the downloaded application, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. On the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option, and then click OK. In the Epson Software Update window, select your product. Wait for the Epson Software Updater to check for software updates. After updates appear in the Updater window, check the Firmware Updater and click on the Install Items button. Again, on the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option, then click on OK. Wait for Firmware Updater to download. In the Epson Firmware Updater window, read the instructions and precautions for updating. Then click on Start button. Wait for the firmware update preparations to complete. Once the firmware update is completed, click on Finish and try printing again.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.